the Rubik's Cubes, and our life. Number 4, Rubik's Cube top cross-section. The yellow cross symbolize broaden your perspective in our life. What it means? Broadening perspective and higher goals. This stage symbolize vision and adaptability to new complexities. Life lesson. Look at the bigger picture. Challenges are often multidimensional. Expand your thinking. Life's solution often require seeing beyond the surface. The top cross forming yellow cross is about strategy and seeing the bigger picture. You're no longer focused on one side but the entire cube. This is when life calls for a long-term thinking. You're not just solving today's problem but aligning them with your future goals. It's about stepping back, reevaluating, and adjusting your approach. Example, think of Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX. His short-term focus on rocket innovation aligned with bigger dreams, colonizing Mars. His strategy balances immediate goals with a far-reaching vision.